to another video. Today we got chicken and...
Yo, what is up?
Okay, so this is my car, as you can see. This random one. And then this is Chicken Man's car. Got like a little hot dog. Like, look at that. That's so
It's a
funny.
little dog.
Okay, so get in your car.
Okay,
Wait, let me turn on.
what sure are we gonna do?
Let's do... Oh, there's one I wanted to do. Where is it? Oh, do you want to do the speed test? It'll be super
The
funny.
speed test? Yeah.
That'll be so funny if we do the speed test. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going in the speed. Okay, there it is. Let's do it at the same time. Wait, don't go yet. Don't go yet.
I know.
All right. Sorry.
Oh, 3,
2, 1.
go!
I want you to crash into my car, okay? Like when you get to the end, crash into my car. Wait, no, wrong way.
Oh!
I got launched out of the seat and I'm still alive. Yo, are you still alive? Are you still alive?
Glitching.
You're literally dead, bro. But your car is almost fine. My car is totally destroyed, but you destroyed too. I mean,
I can't move. I'm stuck.
alright, just reset.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna back, and then we're gonna go back to row 1, and then we're gonna do the... Wait, I think I have row 2. Let's go to row 2. Yeah, I have row 2. Let's go to row 2. No, I don't have row 2. Do I have row 2? Oh, I do have row 2. I want to see what they have in here. I do have row 2. Do you want to do row 2?
Yeah. Wait, do you have all of them too?
I have one of row 2. Hey, dude, you just destroyed my car.
Sorry. Wait, hop in my car?
Oh, alright. I only have one of row 2. Do you want to see what it is? It's this thing right here.
What?
The only thing I have from row 2 is this thing right here.
Oh, dude, the garbage disposal is so good.
Come on. Let's go inside here. Wait, this is the garbage disposal?
What?
This is the garbage disposal? Oh, it is. Okay, that's cool.
Oh no, my car's stuck. Oh, you just crashed straight into my car. Okay.
Yeah, at least I helped you. Alright, let's
Go hop on.
do a quick activation and let's get out of here. Oh my god. Should I do it?
Look how much money, parts, and scraps you get.
I got new crusher, the magnets. Hey! Dude, it's
New crusher?
It's burning me down here.
Okay.
Dude. Hey, wait. It got rid of my shirt. Look, my shirt's gone.
Dude, why did you have the shirt on?
Dude, my beautiful shirt. Let me check if it's back. No, it's still gone. Why did they remove it? I don't like this. I want my shirt.
You've got no shirt now. Okay. Wait, row 2?
Yeah, row 2.
Okay.
Let's do this
What?
Whoa, what's this? Hey, bro, you just cracked me. I don't know what. Wait,
I'm gonna show you what the magnets do.
Can we get out?
We gotta go.
Oh, I think I know exactly what they do.
And up here.
Wait for me. Don't start it without me and the viewers. We need to come and check it. Okay.
Look.
Oh, yo.
Look, left or right?
Right.
Boom.
Whoa. Right.
And then we can keep just making it. No, but reset. Hold up. I'm coming.
Dude, I just destroyed my
You're
car.
gonna be inside my car while you control the magnet.
Wait, what? Okay, that'll be so funny. Okay, get inside.
I'm inside. Oh. Yo, I'm in first person and it looks crazy.
Wait, I want to do that, bro. I want to do that.
Yeah. Okay, reset.
Alright, this is gonna be so funny, bro. Row 2. I think I lost my hair now. I think the game removed my hair. Well, I think the game removed my hair. Alright, there it is. Ah, oh my god. Okay, control it.
You ready?
Wait, I'm in first person now. Okay, control
Okay,
it.
you're in first person. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. What? I just died, bro. My car's perfect.
Dude, it's on fire.
I'm not on fire, at least.
Yo, I'm coming down. Dude,
Well,
that's crazy.
I mean, I'm on fire with views. Well,
Okay, we're gonna do magnets again.
yeah. Except I want both of us. Come on in.
Which one? Magnet?
Well, let's both get in your car. Let's both get in your. Oh, there's no quick activation, dude. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, come on, let's go. I'm in your car.
Okay, I'm gonna go activate it, get in my car.
Your car?
Yeah, my car.
I want to get my car. But I will always be in your car. Well, my car.
Well, be in any car you want. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Guys, I'm gonna do something very funny. Woo!
Wait, no, keep your car. Keep your car.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Wait. No, I'm not ready. I want to do something very funny. Okay.
Wait, do you want? Okay,
I want right.
right? 3,
Yes.
2, 1.
Guys, that was so funny. Whoa. What? I glitched. Yo. I'm on the other side. I'm on the other side. Do you see me up here?
Where are you?
I'm over here. Hey, bro, what was that? Dude, I was still able to sit in your car when I was like being destroyed. Here, okay. Now I'll do it for you.
Okay. Reset your car.
Row 2's over here. Dude, why does it look like I'm bald in this car? And it took off my shirt. Guys, I might have to rejoin the game. Alright,
That's fine.
wait, at least my hair is still there. Except,
Okay.
why is my shirt gone? I like my shirt. So painful.
I'll tell you which one I want. Okay, I'm in first person.
First person?
Are you up there?
Yes, I'm up there. And I'm gonna go in first person too, so it looks kind of fun.
I want right.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry. Here, have right.
oh.
Oh, wait. No. I don't know which one I should give you. I don't know which one I should give you. I'm just giving you.
Oh.
I reset by accident. Wait, I'm coming. Wait. I'm still coming. Woohoo!
A seizure.
Dude, hop in my car. Hop in my car and you'll be more.
I'm having a seizure. Okay.
Bro, you just reset. I wanted you to go in the side of my car. Here, now you do it to me.
The reset.
You do it to me because my car is like stuck. Okay? Wait, not yet. Don't do it yet.
Okay, tell me when to, and tell me which side.
Guys, what he doesn't know is I'm gonna trick him by literally glitching out. Okay? Okay, I'm almost ready. Just need to keep moving. Oh my god. What? Do it.
Boom. Boom. Oh, I got a new vehicle. Boom.
Whoa.
Boom.
Guys, look at that.
Boom. 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 I see you in the corner there hiding.
What is up? I was
I
tricking
saw you
you.
from the start.
Wait,
But
what?
I'm coming.
What?
Yo, what is this line?
Yeah, okay, so it's back here. You can glitch yourself inside of here. Ooh, I'm going on the other side. Yo, it gets you out. Okay, I'm gonna reset. Now I'm gonna do it to you, okay?
I'm gonna reset too.
Don't
Wait.
look. My car is in
Stay in your car first.
okay, but my car is in perfect condition. Don't do anything to it.
Perfect condition, you say. Perfect condition, you say.
Elf.
No!
Oh, come on, man. All right, peace. I'm gonna go do it.
Okay.
Are you in first person?
Yes.
How fun is it? Hey, fire! Ooh. Hey, bro. Do it to me. Do it to me.
But
Reset and then do it. Guys, I'm gonna trick him again. He does not know that. Like I'm gonna trick him. It's gonna be so funny. All right, let's get back into it. All right, you there yet? I'm almost there.
I'm here.
Okay, coming. Okay, so am I doing it for? No, you're doing it for me. Okay.
I'm doing it to you.
Okay. I'm in the car. Hey, no, I didn't want the conveyor. Please. What did you do?
So wait, hold on. Okay.
No, actually, keep the conveyor on my mark. Oh my gosh!
You went flying for a second.
Guys, wait, do it again. I want to see how it looks in first person. Do it.
Oh, okay. We gonna reset both the vehicles.
Okay. Wait, how does it look when you're like, dude, I'm just driving inside. What the? What? Whoa, wrong way.
What?
Nothing. Is this row? Yeah, this is row 2. No, this is row 1. This is row 1. Where's row 2? Is
That
that
was the right way.
row 4? Then this is row 2. I'm here. All right.
Okay. You're here.
We're on the conveyor now. We're in first person. Wait, no, outside. Okay, now we're in first person. Do it.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, and so are the viewers. Do it.
Oh.
Wait, no, on the conveyor.
Oh, what?
No, I want to go flying again. Nothing's going on.
What?
I want to go flying.
I don't know how to do that.
But you did it last time. Come on, man.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. You wanna do this?
Wait, what? Yeah. How do you fly, bro? You're a hacker. You're a hacker. Hey, bro, what the heck? You're like a woodpecker. You have admin. Now I know what you're talking about. You probably said this. You probably said this in chat. Wait, let me type again. Fly. No, this game doesn't have HD admin. Oh, you just bought the game pass.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yo, look what I can do.
Come on, actually do it properly. And what even is that? Like, what kind of animal is that? A chicken? I'm a panda. Wait, what? What is that? Dude, your name. It's inside of me or something. I saw it. I saw your name. It was inside of me. Alright, wait. Reset.
Are you in first person?
No, I'm not yet. I'm not in first person yet, but I will be. I'm in first person. And I'm ready to fly.
Hey, you need to get into your car.
I'm in the car. It's gonna be so fun. Dude, look at me.
Are you in your car?
Yes, I'm in our car.
Hey. Boom, 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 boom,
Ah,
boom,
this is scary.
boom, boom, boom.
There's me flying out of there. Guys, comment down and leave a like below if our next video should be Squid Game. Okay, reset.
Hey, wait, let's go outside.
Alright, I'll meet you outside of row 2.
Okay.
Ooh! Wait, do you think I should test the ramps because I got another car? Like a better
Oh
car?
yeah, you should test out the ramps.
Oh, I got one correct. I did it. Whoa! Yo, I just like crashed.
Okay, do you remember where all this?
Wait, I can't hear. I couldn't hear you. I accidentally clicked on the mute button.
Oh, all this stuff should be outside of row 2 to the left.
The left. Oh, I went the right way. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, guys, that's it. We're resetting. Okay, so Landry.
Yeah.
I mean, Chicken Man. Hey, Chicken Man.
Yeah.
What do you think we should do for our next video?
Our next video.
I want it to be Car Dealership Tycoon.
Oh, that's a good question.
You want to do Squid Game after Car Dealership?
I don't know.
I feel like we should after Car Dealership. Oh my God, I'm racing so fast! Whoa, guys, I just launched out of my car. That was so awkward. Wait, let me try that again in first person. All right, let's go very, very fast.
You know what?
Woo! Hey, bro.
Let's pick 2 options. Okay. So, what's the first option gonna be?
Car Dealership
next
Tycoon.
video.
Car Dealership Tycoon. Car Dealership Tycoon. Car Dealership Tycoon. Car Dealership Tycoon.
Okay, so that's our first option. And then
Guys,
our
listen,
second
bro.
option, what do you want it to be?
Let's do Squid Game for our second option.
What?
Squid Game second option.
Okay. Viewers, if you want
Squid Game.
Car Dealership Tycoon, like. But if you want Squid Games, subscribe.
We will see how many subscribers and likes we get on this video. How much we get will decide what we're doing. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Well, like if you want Car Dealership, and subscribe if you want Squid Game. And make sure you watch another video when it's out. Peace.